What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by jumping on a massive trend that's going to be worth billions in the future. And you can make a lot of money with this right now. And best of all, you don't need to spend any money to do this. So if you love money, guys, and you want to learn how to make money online, make sure you smash that like button, because I'm about to show you exactly how you can do this. And I'm going to show you how other people are doing this right now and making up to $13,000. $15,000. We have some transactions on the right, $48, $73, $73. And all of this gets paid into your PayPal account. And everybody has a PayPal account. You can go and get one for free right now. And then what happens is you get paid into that PayPal account, then you can transfer that money into your own bank account. So now let's jump into the method, guys. But before we do that, make sure you smash that like button, tap that notification bell, hit that subscribe button so you know when my next video comes out. So what am I talking about in this video, guys? Before we jump into the actual method, we need to look at some stats, because these stats are absolutely incredible and you can get a piece of the pie. Now we're going to be talking about e-learning, online training, but don't worry, you don't have to go and create a course or anything like that. That's not what this method is about. Now, e-learning is climbing to billions. In fact, it's worth billions now. However, by 2025, it's estimated that online learning is going to be a $325 billion industry. It's going to be absolutely massive. And most companies that are using e-learning are increasing their revenue by up to 42%. And since 2000, the growth of the e-learning industry has gone up 900%. And these stats are quite old, guys. It's actually a lot more now. So the e-learning industry is an absolutely insanely profitable way to make money online. So what am I talking about, guys? And how does this have anything to do with you? Because you probably don't even have a course or want to create a course. Well, guys, what we're going to be talking about in this video is I go out and I pay people to promote my products that are already optimized, ready to be promoted, and are already making money. And I pay 50% to anyone who promotes my content. And these are some of the payments that I've sent out recently. The top affiliate, guys, $91,000 I've paid him. Now, if you don't know what this is, guys, this is called affiliate marketing, and people go out and promote products for a commission. So let me explain to you how this works and get a piece of this profitable industry. Now, most courses, guys, have affiliate marketing programs and you can promote them for a commission. So let's jump into one of mine real quick, guys. This is my affiliate marketing course. Now, the best thing about promoting these courses, guys, it's simple. I'm going to show you how to do it and the methods in a second, but the best thing is we've optimized everything. We have spent months optimizing, split testing, so we know that these convert. We spend lots of money on optimization testing. We spend lots of money on these pages. You don't have to do all of that. We spend months creating these courses. You don't have to do any of that either. And here is another one here. Now you might be thinking, this page is pretty ugly, but this one actually converts better than any other page we have tested it against. So that's the beauty, guys, is we have literally done all the testing, everything, so you can go out and promote these products and make a commission. Or you can go and promote somebody else's product if you like to make a commission from theirs. Most people have them. So how do you do that, guys? How do you go out and promote a product like this? Because online education is getting massive, and we're sending thousands of people to these pages per week. That's excluding the affiliates that are sending traffic as well. So how do you get involved? How do you go and get commissions, a 50% commission from promoting a particular product like that? Well, first of all, guys, you want to go to these products, whether it be mine or someone else, and you want to find their affiliate page. And what you do, guys, is once you're on that affiliate page, there'll be links for you to sign up. So on this one, this is my one, you can click to promote this product, or this product. We have 3 products. And then we have all the information on promoting, which is information, basically images, emails, and stuff like that you can use to go and promote to people. Now, one thing I do want to mention, guys, is you want to go and promote courses that provide value and have a good reputation. Our course has over 15,000 students now. We need to change this, and it has that many because we have a very good reputation in the industry, and that's why it converts very well for our affiliates. And this is the information that you get when you sign up. So we give you everything you need. But how do you go out and get these commissions? How do you go and promote this? How do you get people involved? How do you get people to click your link so you can get a commission? So the best way to do it, guys, for free without actually spending any money is to go onto YouTube and do videos based on specific keywords. So this one is Ecom Elites review, and you go down and there's all of these reviews, right? Now, even if you don't get in the top 10 or you don't rank in here, reviews will also show up on the right side when people click on other reviews. So if we scroll down, there's a review there. And there should be others, but I listen to a lot of music, so that's popped up. But what you do, guys, is you go and create content based around specific keywords on that course. And you can just go, like a lot of these people just go to the landing page and talk about the course. Now, this is good. You can get commissions, but another great way to actually boost up your commissions, guys, is to do what we call a bonus stack. This is a secret to getting the real big commissions. So this is one of my bonus stacks that I did for something a long time ago. I'm not doing this now, but essentially what you want to do is give out more bonuses so people purchase through your link. But you might be asking, well, how do we get these bonuses? I don't have any bonuses. You can actually go to websites. This will actually cost you a little bit of money to do, but it can be worth it. I know I said it's free, but if you want to do the bonus packages, you might have to spend some money. You can go to websites that are called PLR websites. idplr.com. They have books, courses, videos, and they even have free products. So there you go. You can go and find some free products to build a bonus stack and give it away to people who want to get in under your link. So if we go down, guys, they've got over 6,000 ebooks, 1,700 videos, 600 graphics, 1,200 templates, 250,000 articles. And you can literally go and get these books, and you have the right to give these away in a bonus stack. Some of them even have the right, you can go and sell these. So PLR sites are a great way to go and get content, books, videos, so you can build out a bonus stack, and then you have a better chance of people getting Ecom Elites or Savage Affiliates or my theme under you, because you're giving away more value, you're giving away a bonus, you're giving away more content, so people are more likely to sign up under your link. And this is going to give you the edge over anybody else that's promoting. So that's the first method, guys, is to go to something like YouTube and just do reviews based on the product. And guys, these people here, this is what they're doing. $90,000 in commissions, $25,000 in commissions, $2,000 in commissions. You're literally getting money for free. You go and do the videos, and then you're getting money for free into your PayPal account, and that's how you can make money online. Now, let me show you a more advanced technique. If you want to take this to the next level, this will cost you a little bit of money to do this, but not much, only around about $2 per month. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to go and actually create a review site. And you want to review courses, not just mine, to take it to the next level, review multiple courses. And you get affiliate commissions from all of these different courses, and it starts to build up. Think about it. If you can make $2,000 from mine per month and make $2,000 from someone else's per month, that's $4,000 per month, and you just scale that and double it up and keep going. So here's an example of someone that's done a review on one of mine. It's a simple article, nice and easy. It doesn't take long to create an article. You can get one of these created in a day. It's not that hard at all. So how do you actually go out and do this? Well, step number one, guys, is you need what we call website hosting. You need to create a website. You can go to a website like bluehost.com, and they will charge you $2.95 per month to host your website. And then that's all you pay, and you get a free domain name. So basically, you get a website name for free, right? And then you pay $2.95 per month to keep it running, which is extremely cheap. You'll definitely make your money back really quickly on that. Now, once you actually have the hosting, guys, I'll leave a link below if you want to grab it, but once you actually have the hosting, you want to go and create the content. So in the back end of your website, it would look very similar to this. You go to post and you go to add new post. And what you do is you write an article and you write content and stuff like that. And then, so we'll just do a title here, Ecom Elites Review. And then you put in some content. So we're not going to type it out. We'll just do it here. Once your content is done, guys, you want to scroll down and you want to go down to this section here. Now, this is a plugin called Rank Math SEO. You can download this by going to the plugins section of your website in the back end once you've created your website. This stuff here, guys, is what shows up in Google. Okay? It's all of this stuff here. So you want to do something like Ecom Elites review, best bonus packs online. I really don't know what you're going to put in there, but that's something you can put in there. And then after you've done that, guys, you want to go down to, here, this section here, and you want to type a small snippet. Now this snippet, guys, is going to be this bit right here, okay? Now there's two options here. You can actually leave that if you like, and it will automatically pull content from your article. Or if you want to make your own custom snippet, you can just type stuff in here. So let me do that real quick, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, so I've written some stuff here. This is the best Ecom Elites review online. I take you through the training to show you what it is, and if you need it or not, read this review now. And you'll see kind of some things here, guys. We've done Ecom Elites review, Ecom Elites review. We're putting in the keyword so Google picks that up and ranks us for those specific terms. You can do other keywords if you like. You can do best Ecom Elites review. Is Ecom Elites worth it? Which is another thing people search. And we also have it in the page title. And you also want to put it in the link, which we already have, Ecom Elites review. If you don't have it there, you can click edit, guys. But if you want to do this for free without any website, then all you need to do is you can just sign up as an affiliate for my course or anybody else's course, and you can just go to YouTube and you can actually do YouTube videos. You don't even need to show your face. Most of these guys are not showing their face. And once again, guys, all you're doing is you're becoming an affiliate marketer, which is a very common practice online for Expedia, heaps of other hotel websites. Literally anybody offers an affiliate marketing program that you can jump onto. Even this platform here called GetResponse, which is a big legitimate email marketing platform, you can go out and promote this if you like. And you get a 33% commission every single month as long as that person stays on their plan. So affiliate marketing, guys, is a massive industry. You can make really good money, but right now, one of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing is to go and promote other people's courses, because there is so much traffic volume going to these courses. We are creating so much hype on YouTube and getting so much traffic, and it's an absolutely insane industry getting big growth right now. And you can see the results right here. There is a lot of money involved in this stuff, guys, and you can make a lot of money. Now, if you want to learn more on affiliate marketing and how you can actually make money with this, some more advanced tips and tricks, I'll leave some videos up on the screen for you to check out. And I'll also leave you a playlist that you can go and check out. And there's lots of videos that you can watch for completely free on how to do affiliate marketing. Don't forget to smash that like button, guys. Tap that notification bell, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in one of the videos on the right.